Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Temitope of Little Fit Craft. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful baby booty. It's a unisex baby shoe. Look at how beautiful it is. So I have a video part 1 that I made the sole. I have a video part 2 that I made the body before designing this rib. So but for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this rib. Isn't it beautiful? So I'll be showing you how I made it. This is the basic of the baby shoe. This is the basic. So I'll be changing color at this point to the second color I'm using. I'll be slip stitching on the first stitch. Pull through with the new color we are using. Chain 2. One double crochet in each of the stitches round. One double crochet in the very first stitch, and each and every of the stitches round. Slip stitch into this very first stitch. Now we are going to be changing our color to the previous color we are using before. So just pull through and continue your work. Chain 2. Now we're going to be making front and back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook and bring it out on the second hole. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and make a regular double crochet. So for the back loop, insert your hook right from inside and bring it out on the other side. Yarn over and make your double crochet. Back loop double crochet and front post double crochet. Right now we're going to be changing our color. Insert your hook and slip stitch with the new color. So now we are done with this color. We are going to be cutting it off and tie with this so it doesn't pull off. Chain 2. So we are going to be making front post under the front post, back post double crochet under the back post, around the back post double crochet. So wherever you see front post double crochet, you make the front post double crochet and back post on back post double crochet. So this is how we'll continue working. Remember that you can work with the color you started with, just one color. You can work with one color right from this sole to the body. So we are not cutting or joining at any point since it's just one color. Since I'm using two colors, that's why I'm cutting and joining. So slip stitch and join. Cut off your yarn. So this is how our baby shoe looks like. That's how beautiful it is. As you can see in this first leg, don't forget that we are making exactly how we made the first leg for the second leg also. We highlighted the sole of the shoe, this area. So I'll be showing you how to highlight the sole of your shoes. So working with a single strand and the same 3.5mm hook that we started with, I'm going to slip knot with the sole of the shoe facing me. I'm going to gently work on the second loop of the back loop we worked with when we were making the body of the shoe. So this is the remaining loop. Now we work with back loop only, so we are working with the other loops remaining. Pull through and chain one. On each of the stitches round, we will slip stitch and chain one. Gently slip stitch and make a chain one. Slip stitch, chain one in each of the stitches round. And don't forget to make it loose, don't tighten it. Now we're going to slip stitch and cut off our yarn at the end of our row like this. Gently tie this end together and weave it in. To weave in the excess end with our tapestry needle, and also weave in all these ends in. If you really want, if you think the baby shoe will be bigger than the baby's leg, you can make a chain of about 60 and fit it in and out of this area to tie at the front. Hope you understand. But this is how I want to leave mine, but you can also choose to leave yours like this or fixing a strap to tie. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Comment and tell me wherever you are chatting from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.